Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, it's that time of year. I usually go down the road once during the year and do my weed whacking, clean up some of the brush. And up here in Maine, well, actually, most of Maine got quite a rainstorm. We've been dry for a long time. And we just recently got a lot of rain. I think here, where I am, we got 3 inches or more of rain. So needless to say, the work that I've been doing up in the woods is pretty mushy right now. So this is a good day to take and just go down the road and do the trimming today. Let the sun beat down on the ground, dry it up some. I'm going to be using my 525 RX Husqvarna with the weed whacker line on it. I don't anticipate having to put the saw blade on. And if I need the small brush cutter, I'll put that on later. But primarily this is just a weed whacking event with my brush cutter. I'm going to start up there near the house and then work down the road. And eventually I'll be to the end of the road. So stay tuned. This usually starts up pretty easily. Pull up on the blue level. Prime it. It says 5 times. Five pulls. Shut it off. Starts that easy. It hasn't been running a couple of weeks. If it wasn't for all the rocks, I'd use lawnmower. This little weed whacker does a hell of a job. think it came out pretty good. Raking, it'll look even better. Pretty fortunate, didn't have any trees, at least wise along this stretch, come down on the power lines. Just the one up near the transformer. Been interesting when they cut this road in. They cut it in right on the edge of a hill. You can see all the stone wall on the side. And then it's a pretty good drop off on the right side. I guess I'll end the video here. Like I said, other than raking, I got it pretty much cleared up. Well, I hope you enjoyed this time. Hope you enjoyed this episode. And I'll catch up with you on the next one. So please give me a like and subscribe. And I'll be back again.